An international organization believes startups have a positive impact on the economic growth of a country. In light of this, some Filipino startups have been given the opportunity to be funded and introduced to the market. Rod Lagusad tells us more.
Economic research for ASEAN and East Asia or area is focused on supporting outstanding startups. The organization is in close coordination with member states to help strengthen startups in each country. It also sees the potential of startups in helping economies of ASEAN countries.
If you consider the last 5 to 10 years, startup is the driver for the global economic growth. Especially in these regions, startups made a tremendous impact to the ASEAN economies. Companies like Grab and Gojek, those companies created a lot of values in the economy and also created a lot of employment.
He said they believe that with startups, it helps in social issues. In connection with this, the group called for a proposal. It also underwent a tedious process to select which startup to fund. The two selected startups will have the opportunity to present it at the ASEAN Summit in Laos in October. The finalists include some Filipinos like Atoani AgriVentures, a data analytics solution which seeks to help the country's farmers.
We provide recommendations sa mga farmers on what to plant based on requirements ng soil nila so that they can maximize the use of their land, maximize their land use to provide high value for them so it increases their income.
She said the accuracy based on their validation was around 90%. It also includes an artificial intelligence method employers can use to determine potential resignations among the rank and file to avert possible disruptions in operations.
Hindi lang siya focus on performance. Ang technology namin is looking on different parameters. Like tinitingnan namin ano yung natapos nila, kumusta yung compensation nila, nakatanggap ba sila ng incentive, tumataas ba yung sweldo nila, ilan yung overtime hours na ginagawa nila on a weekly basis.
He emphasized that any technology can be abused. Still, he stressed there are many parameters to ethically use and make it work. He added that using this technology can be helpful for employees, whereas employers can determine benefits that will keep employees from leaving the company. Currently, it has 78% accuracy. For the DOST, the program complements the DOST's program that helps startups at the national level.
So it's an addition to what we can fund. This is on another level because you will be recognized in the ASEAN region, and you will note that the ASEAN region has about 600 million population that you can serve through your startup.
This is an opportunity especially for Filipinos to introduce their own startups. Rod Lagusad from the National TV for a new and better republic.